Hey everybody, this is Main Gamer Piking here. Today we're going to do a my last fireworks stash video. Well, okay. First, let's start off with the Chicago Gangster. It's a fireworks assortment, as you can tell. I put some of those things in there. It's normally $129.95, but we got for like $80. And yeah, we got some mortars, cakes, fountains, firecrackers, different stuff like that. Then down here we got two magical barrages, brass knuckles. It's a 200 gram case. Uptown Funk. It's also a 200 gram. X Factor. I think it's 200 gram. I could be wrong though. This is it's Thunderbolt. I don't even know. I think it's like a fountain slash cake. And over here we got Pop Goes the Fountain. At it again. Got a little panda thing. 4th of July Parade is pretty good cake. Some safety fuse for my grand finale. Little, like, mortar shells. Neon Magnum, it's little mortar shells as well. Then some mortar shells. Here we got a 500 gram cake. Lone Wolf. It's a pretty good one, actually. It's by World Class. Then down here, we got Formed in Fire. I haven't actually got this cake yet. I heard it's pretty good. It's made by World Class. Yep. Then down here we got some artillery shell, or not artillery, Saturn missiles, some zippers that are in one of the bags somewhere. Some firecrackers that's all the ones from last time. Shot most of them all off already. Oh, come here. Okay, then in here we got some punks and a Cracker Barrel. It's pretty good. It's like a crackling ball that goes for like 5 minutes or so. And here we got some Saturn missiles. Yep, singular Saturn missiles. They're pretty cool. And there's the zippers I was talking about that were in the bag. Yeah, that's all my fireworks stash video. I'm not sure when the next video will come out, but go subscribe to me, like, comment, subscribe to Main Gamer More, Main Gamer Raptor, and I don't remember the other one, but yeah, subscribe to all the main gamers really. But yeah, that's my fireworks stash. Like I said before, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. See you in the next video. Peace.